All right, so I just want to walk you through the exit ticket to make sure you understand what it's asking you. So the first side over here on the left, this is the question, all right? Shauna was given a situation and she graphed it, and she got this graph here. Over here is the question. Which option could be represented by the circled point on her graph, okay? So we've circled this point, and I want to know which option, A, B, C, or D, is giving me the same information as that point. So for option A, does the point that I circled mean that the 4 lines up with the 7, right? So do we have a fourth term with 7 blocks situation, or is it choice B, the third term has 3 blocks? Does it line up with choice C, where you have day 3 and that's a 7 inches, or does it line up with term D, where you have the X value is 7 and the Y value is 3? Okay, so you're just looking for which of these pictures means the same thing as this circled point. So you have to know how to write the ordered pair for this, right? If you know how to write an ordered pair, you should be easily able to match it up with the correct picture. That's all you've got to do for this. I just wanted to explain it to make sure it made sense.